Alright guys, here's the new kit right here. Masadas SP44 kit. Has about 330 separate wave samples, and I also included a kit that will work exclusively inside of the SP404 that contains like 8 banks of sounds, 128 sounds, or whatever. This kit contains like one-shots, effects, samples, kick, snare, hi-hat, whatever. Basically, I took my zip drive I had for like years or whatever, and I was going through it and had some sounds in there I decided to share with you guys. So I made sure the kit was ultra affordable, $9 or whatever. I'm just gonna go through and play some of the sounds. I'm not gonna play all the sounds, of course. All right, so so we go to the first bank here or whatever.
One, 2, 3, 4.
And I included some bass sounds, just a multitude of a lot of things. There's a nice scratch pad here. Guitars, effects. You could definitely do some pretty original things with this. 808s, open hi-hats, and so that's about it. I'm gonna stop it right there. The kit also, like I said, it contains a bonus folder of free samples from my album collection, something y'all can flip or whatever else like that, and that's free. That comes with this kit. This kit is only $9. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace, respect, and I love y'all guys for real, man. Peace.